Hi, I'm Jill Gallaher. I'm at AACR. I'm a research scientist in the Integrated Mathematical Oncology Department at Moffitt Cancer Center. And what I'm talking about here is an adaptive therapy trial in metastatic castrate-sensitive prostate cancer, where basically it's an evolutionary guided therapy that uses the patient's dynamics to apply treatment and make decisions. So the treatment is applied until the PSA reaches 50%, and then we withdraw the treatment until it grows back. And the combinations of treatment is decided by the amount of testosterone. So far this trial has reached feasibility, and what I'm trying to do is apply a mathematical model to understand the mechanisms that are involved in better optimized treatment. So we have all this longitudinal data that we have from each patient about the doses that are applied and how their testosterone changes. We can fit these first, and then by looking at the biological mechanisms, we can design some equations that follow how these different tumor subtypes, these tumor cell subtypes will expand or contract based on the different treatments that are applied. And so we kind of show that there's about 3 different kinds of responses that we see. Sometimes the testosterone goes low and eventually the PSA gets high. This is indicating some kind of resistance is occurring, and we can kind of correlate that with different subtypes that are existing from the model. Sometimes we don't really see this different correlation, but we do see that the nadir of the PSA starts to increase over time. And this might indicate either the same AR overexpression or some other cell subtypes that's increasing over time, causing resistance. And sometimes we see that these testosterone and PSA correlate with each other, and this is generally meaning that the treatment is working and we should continue. Further results, we're trying to look at how this matters in space. You know, some of these cell types are interacting with each other and sometimes they're not, and so it really matters if these are in contact with each other and what happens over time. This is just kind of a basic idea in trying to understand the biological mechanisms.